How to activate Netspend debit card. For this, open a browser that you prefer. Search for Activate Netspend debit card. Tap on the first suggestion shown and make sure it is from the official Netspend webpage. And wait for it to load. In here, go ahead and add the 16-digit number, that is a card number, and a 3-digit security code. Your security code will be behind your card, so go ahead and enter it. If you face any difficulty, go ahead and tap on Contact Us or tap on the chat bubble at the side of your screen. In here, you'll be able to chat with an agent or a bot and share your problem. Right here, there are some pre-prompt bubbles that you can select. You can select the option of I'm trying to activate my card, from where you can just go ahead and tap on Activate Card to activate your card, or call the customer service in this given number if you are facing the problem in your activation as well. You can activate your card through your browser as well. In here, you have to search for www.netspend.com, where it will redirect you to its homepage. At the top, you should find the option of Activate Card. So you have to go ahead and tap on Activate Card, or just tap on this option right here. Then once you tap on Activate your card, you have to do the similar process. That is to enter your card number and your security code. So go ahead and enter it right here, then tap on Continue. And voila, you will have your Netspend debit card activated in a few seconds. So make sure to go ahead and give it a try, and thank you so much for tuning in.